How to install a swing arm wall lamp. Let Lamps Plus show you how easy it is to install a versatile plug-in swing arm wall lamp in your home. These types of lamps are a great choice for bedrooms, next to a favorite reading chair, home offices, and more. They feature swing arms, so they are easy to adjust and position the light just where you need it. And they free up precious table space, giving you more room. Installing is a simple DIY job. You'll need a pencil, a screwdriver, an electric drill, and a hammer. Screws and wall anchors are provided with most designs. To begin, first determine the location where you'd like to install. Select a spot where you can easily reach and adjust it, and make sure there's an outlet nearby to plug it in. Using the wall bracket mounting plate included with your design, mark where you need to install the wall anchors. Install the mounting plate to the wall. Use screws to drill into wall studs or install wall anchors into your drywall. You may need special wall anchors depending on your type of wall surface and construction. Lift the swing arm onto the plate and secure with screws or a bolt depending on the design. Some designs include a cover that hides the cord, or you can purchase a metal cord cover separately. The cord cover comes in two parts. You attach the back of the cover to the wall with anchors, run the cord through the channel, then snap the front of the cover onto the back. Then just plug in your swing arm and enjoy. Most swing arms have built-in dimmers on the wall plate. Use the dimmer control to adjust the light for reading or other tasks. If yours doesn't, you can purchase a line cord dimmer separately. Plug the wall lamp cord into the dimmer, then plug the dimmer into the outlet. If using an LED bulb, make sure it's a dimmable version. If you need more advice, one of our trained lighting experts will be happy to assist. For all our designs and more advice and tips, visit us at lampsplus.com.